In this video I'm going to unbox my MacBook Pro. This is a 16-inch MacBook Pro and it has a 32 GB RAM and 2 TB hard drive. So let's unbox and see. So here we see the MacBook. We also get a new charger. We have some Apple stickers. So this is the MacBook and we can see it has a HDMI port, USB-C port, SD card. And inside this side we have a charging port, two USB-C ports and a headphone jack. Wow, the sound is impressive. To start the setup, select the language. Select the country of your residence. If we go to the screen, it's a really clear and bright screen. Now we have some options for accessibility. You can click yes or not now. Select your Wi-Fi network. Enter its password. Click continue for data and privacy. If you want, you can just transfer your details, or you can click note now. Now if you want, you can just sign in with your Apple ID, or you can create a new ID, or you can set up later and you can skip it. Now click agree for the terms and conditions. Now it will ask you to create an account for your computer, so you just have to enter your name, then you can create an account name, then password, its hint, just verify that and then click on the continue. If you want, you can enable the location services on the Mac. Now you have to select the time zone. You can set the time zone automatically. For that you need to turn on the location services. Click continue. You can share the data with the Apple. So if you want, you can share it, or you can just note. Click continue. You can also put some schedules, passcodes and other details. You can set up here, or you can do it later. If you want, you can enable the Siri, or you can just go without that. You can add the fingerprints if you want, or you can set up later. You can select how the Mac should look like. So this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and setup of this new MacBook. Thanks for watching.